Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel AMC Theaters membership. Okay, so all steps you can see on your screen. So first of all, you need to open any browser and you need to type like cancel AMC Theater membership. Okay, and once you get the result, you need to select second one result. You can see AMC Stubs A-List frequently asked question. You need to click on this option, and once you click on this option, it will redirect you to on this page, AMC Theater page, and you need to scroll down and you need to find like you can see cancel your membership. And once you see this screen, you need to click on this link, view and manage your plan. And once you click on this option, you need to log in into your account. You will see over here you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account, it will redirect you on your subscription page, and on this page you can easily follow the instruction and you can easily cancel your premium membership, or you can like status of your membership you can easily check and you can easily cancel your membership. Okay, so by using this method you can easily cancel your membership, but you need to keep this thing in your mind. You cannot rejoin a list of for 6 months. Okay, you are not able to join it again at least for 6 months. Okay, so this is the information, my dear friends, and if you are facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.